Starting PowerPoint 2010. PowerPoint is a program that allows you to create presentations. To start PowerPoint program, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Microsoft Office. Step 4. Click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. The PowerPoint presentation will appear. A blank presentation titled Presentation 1 is displayed in the PowerPoint window. PowerPoint window. Look at the PowerPoint window given below. Title bar. It is a bar located at the top of the window that shows the name of the currently opened document. PowerPoint menu. It is a menu button that contains the options like New, Save, Open, etc. Quick Access Toolbar displays quick access buttons to the Save, Undo and Redo commands. Ribbon. The menus and toolbars of earlier version of PowerPoint has been replaced by Ribbon in PowerPoint 2010. It contains the commands and other menu items that are designed to help you quickly find the commands that you need to complete a task. Program window controls. Use these buttons to minimize the program window, restore the window to full size, or close the window. Outline and Slides tab. The Outline tab displays the title and text content of a slide, and Slide tab of the pane allows the user to move easily from one position to another. Slide pane. It displays a large view of the current slide where the text, graphics, or animations are directly entered. Splitter bar. You can adjust the width of the side pane by using this bar. Text placeholder. It is a place where title, body text, or contents can be inserted. Notes pane. It displays the notes for the current slide. This is a text that consists of notes to yourself or remarks to share with your audience. Status bar. It is a long horizontal bar that is located at the bottom of the window and used to provide information about the active slide and applied theme. View buttons. They are used to switch the window to the normal, slide sorter or slideshow views.